Hey DIY queens, welcome back to my channel. I'm Create with Kayla. If you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a dupe for the Magnolia Heart and hand mirror. I'm excited to show you guys because I finally got to make this only using Dollar Tree products. I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are excited too because I did only use one thing that wasn't Dollar Tree, but it was in the Dollar Tree realm. So let's get right into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Yeah.
So what you're going to need is this wooden plaque, the wooden dowels, a magnifying glass, suction cup, and some spray paint. What we're going to do is we're going to measure and cut this wooden dowel to the size that we want, however tall you want your mirror to be. This dowel I got from Lowe's. You can get it from Home Depot as well. And now I'm just sanding it so that when we spray paint it, it'll go on smoothly. Next, we're going to measure the center of this wood plaque so we can drill a hole in the center. Alright queens, it's time to get out that drill. We're going to use a 1/2-inch drill to drill a hole down the center of this wooden plaque. Once you're done drilling a hole into the wooden plaque, you're going to turn it over and use it as a base for the Dollar Tree magnifying glass. I began drilling a hole into here and it was super easy, and I used 7/32 drill bit. I did drill it in the wrong way, so make sure you drill it in the right way. We're also going to be using this to drill a hole into the wooden dowel. You can put it as high or as low as you want for the mirror. For this next step, we're going to make sure our dowel fits snug into the magnifying glass hole. You want to make sure that it fits nice and snug, and do not push it all the way in. Just give it a little bit of push and then just make sure it fits nicely with the larger wooden dowel. Next, we're going to get some Tite-Bond glue and a little bit of hot glue to bond our wooden dowel to our wooden plaque. Here I'm just making sure that my larger dowel and my smaller dowel fit very snug into each other. And I'm actually off camera going to cut some of this off because it's a little bit too long. Now it's time to spray paint. We're going to be using this Rust-Oleum chalk spray paint in the color charcoal. This color gives me a black and gray vibe. You can use whatever color spray paint you want. I just chose this because this is what I had in my office. We're also going to be spray painting the magnifying glass and the other smaller wooden dowel. So make sure you get both sides covered because we are actually going to be covering the front piece of the magnifying glass with a mirror. Here's a little mirror that we're going to be placing on the front. I actually taped the front of it and then I spray painted the sides. That way it could all be the same color. I only used one mirror, but I would suggest getting two so you can have a front and a back mirror for the magnifying glass. Now that your pieces are dry, you're going to grab some E6000 glue, and we're also going to be using some hot glue to adhere this mirror to the magnifying glass just for extra hold. Make sure you move quick because this hot glue gun will dry fast. Pressing it tightly on there, you want to make sure that you rub off the excess glue on the sides of the mirror so it gives it a clean look. And just shimmy that little dowel in there and you have yourself a beautiful, beautiful mirror. And you can also customize it however you want. So I picked up these cute little Dollar Tree headphones and I'm just going to use the backing of it and place it to give it an extra modern look, I guess. And here is your final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this dupe of the Magnolia hand mirror. I really tried my hardest to keep it with all Dollar Tree products, and I enjoyed this video. Alright DIY queens, how easy was that? Now it's time for you to get started on this DIY at home. Don't forget you can customize it however you want to. You can use whatever materials, change the paint, use other things in the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to give you guys a start on it, only using Dollar Tree products. I hope you guys are able to support me by liking, commenting, and subscribing, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload, and have a happy DIY day. Bye.